Welcome to Business Budget Model. Today we're going to deal with how to take on our opening balance sheet in this tutorial. Once again, download the user guide at businessbudgetmodel.com or send us an email at support@businessbudgetmodel.com if you have any questions. To access the Take on Balance Sheet, there's a quick macro button, number 4, Take on Balance Sheet, which when you click it will take you down to the Take on Balance Sheet section. There are some values entered here, and we just happen to be using euro currency, but it would be in whichever currency your primary budget you've selected to do your primary budget in. The most important cell in the whole model is cell B3, and you can see that there is a formula there to highlight any instance where the balance sheet goes out of balance. And what that means is that the total of your assets does not equal the total of your liabilities, and a warning message will pop up. To demonstrate what I mean, if I capture the value over here, automatically it's gone out of sync, and you'll notice B3 is saying there's a balance sheet error in year 1. And if you go further down to cells 802 and 803, you'll see it's not in zero, it's showing up an error, and the variance is that £100 we've put in. Now obviously as you go through and enter your values in your opening balance sheet take on, it's going to remain out of error until such time that you've completed your take on. And at that stage, if you've correctly entered your values from your trial balance, your total of your assets and liabilities should be the same, and that error should disappear. If it does not disappear in cell B3, then you need to go and check the values that you've captured, because the system has determined that it is not in balance. Once you've finished with that, you can then return to the navigation page and proceed to go on to your next level, which would be the revenue and cost of sale forecast, which we'll deal with in the next tutorial. Thank you very much for joining.